Now in case of the bounded media, there are the three bounded medias. One, it is the twisted pair cable, another it is the coaxial cable, and the third one it is optical fiber. So first we are going to see the twisted pair cable. So you can note down the question. Explain the twisted pair cable with its suitable diagram. So the diagram it is given on the board. So there are the two wires. These are crossed to each other. Two copper wires. These are crossed to each other. These two copper wires having the two conductors and insulating jacket. So these two wires, these are crossed to each other. So it reduces the EMI. So EMI stands for electromagnetic interference, because when the wire are crossed to each other, they produces the crosstalk. So it reduces, twisted pair cable reduces the crosstalk. Now we can see which point should be covered in twisted pair cable. So you can note down that one. Number 1, twisted pair cable are very common in telephone communication and short distance computer network. Number 2, twisted pair cable, one or more pairs of two twisted copper wires are shown. Number 3, wires are close to each other. So there is a interfering, it is interference of one to other wire known as crosstalk. And in order to reduce the amount of crosstalk and external EMI, wire are crossed or twisted. Okay, so these 3 points we can cover in twisted pair cable. Now note down the advantages and disadvantages of twisted pair cable. Advantages: number 1, this medium is inexpensive and easy to install. Number 2, wires are twisted. It reduces EMI and avoids RF radiation. Number 3, twisted wires also reduces crosstalk. Now next we'll see the disadvantages. Number 1, they can be used only for short distance communication. They can be used for only short distance communication. Number 2, for audio telephone, the bandwidth is 4 kilohertz and it is maximum up to 50 kilohertz. Number 3, the speed of computer data is 1200 bits per second. So these are the some advantages and disadvantages of twisted pair cable. Now this twisted pair cable, it is get divided into two parts, two types. One it is the UTP cable and another it is the STP cable. So UTP stands for unshielded twisted pair cable and STP stands for shielded twisted pair cable. So you just note down the difference between the UTP and the STP. You refer the textbook for that. In textbook you have that difference. So write down the question for that. Differentiate between UTP and STP. Now we'll see the another bounded media, that is the coaxial cable. Now you can see the coaxial cable. So this coaxial cable, it consists of insulating material, then copper wire. Before starting that cable you have the copper wire, then outer conductor, that is called as a braided outer conductor, and the last one, it is the protective plastic covering. So for each copper wire we have the plastic covering, because plastic, it is a bad conductor of electricity. So to make us secure, we are giving the plastic covering for each and every wire, because copper, it is a good conductor. So the electricity will transform from the copper wire. So to protect us, we are giving the plastic covering. Now this is, you can see the coaxial cable. Coaxial cable, it consists of copper wire, copper core, insulating material, braided outer conductor and protective plastic covering. Now we can write down the question for that. Explain the coaxial cable with suitable diagram. So write down the first point. It is a hollow cable with solid copper or standard wire at the center of the cable, surrounded by plastic insulation. Second, the foam is surrounded by a wire mesh jacket or metallic foil. Number 3, the wire mesh avoids EMI because it is shielded cable. Number 5, the plastic jacket provides protection. The plastic jacket provides protection. There are two types of coaxial cable. Number 1, thick net, and number 2, thin net. So note down the advantages also and disadvantages also. So advantages are, number 1, in coaxial cable, it is commonly used in network because available in different sites. Second, its shielding provides better resistance to EMI. Number 3, attenuation is less than twisted pair cable. And write down the disadvantages.